Would you agree with me if I say growing long, healthy, and beautiful hair shouldn't be so difficult? If you're looking for a simple, easy to make, and budget friendly natural solution that can completely transform your wash days, eliminate breakage, dryness, and boost hair growth, keep on watching. Today, I'll be teaching you exactly how I make my flaxseed gel. I use this solution for my pre-poo. It's a very simple process. All you just need is your flaxseed. You need a bowl and something to strain with, and you need water, a spoon to stir with, and you're good. You need to bring your water to a boil before adding your flaxseed. I counted exactly 9 spoons for this quantity of water. The beautiful thing about flaxseed gel, apart from the slipperiness it provides that helps you to detangle your hair with ease, is that it provides some key nutrients that are beneficial for hair growth, like omega 3 fatty acids, vitamin E, antioxidants, protein, B vitamins, and minerals like magnesium, potassium, copper, and zinc. This entire process took me nothing less than 10 minutes. It's very easy to make. How you know that your flaxseed gel is ready to be strained is you're going to find that the consistency is going to change the longer it stays on the fire. So as you can see, I can already see that gooiness. That's how you know that your flaxseed gel is ready or almost ready to be strained. A few things to note. First of all, you do not want your flaxseed gel to be really thick on the stove. The thing is, when you strain it, it's going to get even thicker. So you want to make sure that your flaxseed gel is still very runny so it goes through whatever form of strain or cheesecloth or whatever you're using. Because when your flaxseed is very hot, you're not going to be able to squeeze it except you have some form of protection for your hand. So at this point, I knew this wasn't going to be enough for my thick hair. So I took the flaxseed back to the stove, added some water, cooked it, and strained it. So I had so much more to work with. The really amazing thing about flaxseed gel is you can freeze it. Like you saw in the beginning of the video, I have some flaxseed that I froze. I would have used that, but I wanted to make a fresh batch so you guys can see exactly how I make my flaxseed gel. So this stuff, I'm gonna keep it. I'm not throwing it away. You can customize your flaxseed gel. You can add fenugreek, cloves, or whatever. You can boil that with your flaxseed. At this point, I just add my oil of choice. If you want to see how I apply my flaxseed to my hair, just find my pre-poo routine for maximum length retention video on YouTube. Do let me know what you would like to see next.